So like all the pesky mold that grows in people's grout lines and the silicone lines, this product's perfect to help clean that off.
Yeah, but you have to be patient. You spray it on, you don't brush it right off. You let it sit for a few minutes, and then you clean it. It's dissolved the connection between the grout and the dirt in it, or the fungus, wherever it is, and then it comes off easy.
So we do not need to use bleach to clean our grout. Just a public service announcement here, especially with the creation of this new product.
Yeah, you don't want to use bleach. First of all, bleach doesn't kill mold. It's a very unknown thing. It does remove it, but it doesn't kill it.
Yeah, that's something that we recently saw updated on the EPA's website.
Yeah.
Bleach should not be used to try to kill mold because it's not effective and still might cause an allergic reaction in some. Very downplayed words there, but at least they've acknowledged it. And unfortunately, the CDC is still recommending bleach because they have not updated their website since the 90s.